This spine has seen better days. Luckily, it's an easy fix. Paperback spines can warp over time as the glue along the spine weakens. This can happen from repeated handling, humidity, and temperature changes. Fortunately, the repair is straightforward. Start by clamping the book between two boards, making sure the curved spine extends slightly past the edges and faces down towards the table. Next, gently coax the spine into a straighter position. Loosen one side at a time, press the book down towards the spine, then retighten. Repeat on the other side until you're happy with the alignment. Once straightened and clamped, flip the book so the spine is facing up. Slowly apply heat along the full length of the spine using a heat gun on a low setting. The goal is to soften the adhesive without damaging the cover or pages. After the glue has softened, flip the book again and press the spine firmly onto a flat surface. Leave it to set overnight. For best results, repeat the process a few times, allowing the book to rest overnight between cycles until the spine holds its shape. If any glue squeezes out during the process, let it fully dry first. Then, lightly reheat just the excess and wipe it away carefully with a paper towel, away from the pages. After that, let the spine reset overnight again. With a few cycles, you'll see a noticeable improvement. If you decide to give this a try, let me know how it goes.